야, 나 공부 잘했네.
응?
공부 잘했네. 이 정도면 잘한 거지. 우우미우우수우우.
야, 얘 1학년 해야지. 얘 1학년 해야지.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, Yunho went to high school with his friends. Yunho saw his report card. Did Yunho study well? What was his grade? Let's get started.
야, 나 공부 잘했네.
야, 나 공부 잘했네. 야, hey, 나, I, 공부, study, 잘, well, 했네 is 하다 plus at plus 네. 하다, do, at past tense, 네 is a sentence ending to express surprise to the information speaker just received.
야, 나 공부 잘했네.
야, 나 공부 잘했네. 야, 나 공부 잘했네. Hey, I studied well.
이 정도면 잘한 거지.
이 정도면 잘한 거지. 이 this 정도 degree 면 if 잘 well 한 거지 is 하다 plus 것 plus 이다 plus 지 하다 do 것 this is grammar form to make verb to a noun 이다 be 지 is a sentence ending when the speaker talks about him or herself or the speaker talks about his or her thought.
이 정도면 잘한 거지.
이 정도면 잘한 거지. 이 정도면 잘한 거지. That's good enough.
우우미우우수우우.
우우미우우수우우. Well, there are 5 stages of grades, which is 수, 우, 미, 양, 가. 수 is the highest grade, then 우, then 미, then yang, then 가. 가 is the lowest grade. Yunho got 우우미우우수우우 in 8 subjects. That's a quite nice grade. His grade is above average.
얘 1학년 해야지. 얘 1학년 해야지.
야, 얘 1학년 2학기 때 가 있어. 야, hey, 얘, he 1학년 first grader 2학기 the second semester 때 at 가 is the lowest grade 있어 be
야, 얘 1학년 해야지. 얘 1학년 해야지.
야, 얘 1학년 2학기 때 가 있어. 야, 얘 1학년 2학기 때 가 있어. Hey, there is 가 in the first grade and the second semester. Yunho is ashamed, but it's okay. He's a big star right now. Here's a short quiz for you. Can you say this in Korean? Yes, the answer is 공부. Very good. Next question. Yes, right. The correct answer is 1학년. Then you can see the Korean on the screen. Please guess its meaning. Yes, right. It means well. Very good. The answer is a degree. Excellent. Alright, thank you for watching, and if you want to learn Korean, please click here for the beginner's lesson. Also, if you want to learn Korean through the K-pop song, then please leave a comment down below, then I'll make a video for you. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and see you next time. 감사합니다. 다음 시간에 만나요.